Mm, mm, mm is the sound the letter N makes. Can you say it with me? The word name starts with the letter N. My name is Miss Klasa. What is your name? Is your name Emma? Liam? Sophia? Noah? Ava? James? How about Mia? Ethan, is that you? Isabella? Hello. Lucas? Hi. Chloe or Oliver? Can you spell it with me? The word name is spelled N-A-M-E. Awesome! Your name is very special, and this song is all about celebrating your name.
Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Hello, hello, how do you do? What is your name? Tell me please. Let's be friends and talk with ease. Hello.